Here I have HUAWEI Enjoy 20 SE, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off. And after that, after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After the screen turns on and HUAWEI logo appears, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. Then you have to select an option clear data and then wipe cache partition. After a few seconds, cache wipe completes, and after that you have to go back and restart your device, and it will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.